Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video about some of those setup that I made over the weekend, last weekend, last Saturday, Sunday, right? So let's get started here. These are the 40-minute chart setups. You can see AJ 40 minutes, CJ 40 minute, EA, and all of the EUR-USD 40 minute, right? And these are the one that is dated on um, let me see the folder. You can see that it's 8/10, right? So I made these before charts on 8/10 means August the 10th, which was Saturday. Then Sunday webinar, I explained all of these setups and I gave all these charts to my subscribers and I posted on the Telegram as well. So let's go take a look. Some of these, what happened to these setups, right? So, for example, I opened a few of them already to save time. So, for example, here EUR-USD. This was the setup on August 10th. I made that this thing is going to go from here to here, and it was going and going and hit that target, right? And doing so, I going to the upside. This is my trade. So 100 pip right off the back from that setup. Right now, the other setup I had is like this: pound USD. Some of them I'm going to show you only maybe a couple of them, right? There's a lot of them there. So pound USD also, you can see that this was a setup that is going to go up to B and then come down for C. So what happened to this chart so far? It went up, and going to the upside, you can see that I took the trade, this one, and 90 pip right there, right? So, Sunday, the market opened Monday, and this is what I'm doing, right? Let's take a look at something else. For example, I have something open here as well. Let's say pound CAD, right? So I had this pound CAD here. See that GC before? And what happened to this GC chart so far, this one, and you can see that it went up nice and clean. Not all the way here yet, but halfway. And going to the upside like that, I had GC trade for 90 pips. Easy peasy. Similarly, I had this EUR-AUD also. You can see in this folder right there. See, EA 40-minute setup on August the 10th. So what happened to this chart? This was the setup that is going to go to the upside. So it went all the way to 61% of this drop, 78% actually. Let me show you the chart. Whoops, this is okay. I don't know where that chart is, but it was going to the upside. And let me show you the trade. I don't know, after chart, I recorded somewhere else. I'll misplace something. But the trade I took is like this. Okay, EA on the 14th. That was the chart I made on the, so 13, 10, 11. So 12. Monday was 12, 13, and 14. They start to go up. And here, 60 pip, right? So most of these setups here, all of these, right? Most of these, gold, a lot of them are gold. And so they all gave me some beautiful, beautiful trade. And they went, some went the other way, of course, right? But when something goes against my setup, I leave it alone. Simple as that. Well, why run after something that is not working out for me, right? So so many here, right? So but I showed you like 4 or 5, and they're all like 90 pip, 100 pip, 90 pip, 100 pip, 60 pip, right? And so far till today is Thursday, right? So we have 8:30 news time right now. Retail sale red news for USD. Gold trades, I just closed a couple of them. Let me show you. See all of these trades for this week alone. 21 trades so far. And gold, I had this that is going to go up. So this is my first one, which end up big one, basically. And then let me show you the other one. The other one I just closed. And this one I posted on the Telegram as well. See that? Nice and clean. And I posted on the Telegram that the gold is making, let me show you. See, no. See that? Gold might give a long on 150 BS. Then I post my entry here. And then finally, this is the whole trade. I just closed at 24.62 because the news is about to come, right? And anything can happen. So I don't want to lose what I have now. And for example, this pound USD went up. Now I'm expecting that it's going to come down. I need USD strength for that. And I need a USD strength in many pairs, right? So let's see what happens. If USD strength will come, then I will have 4 or 5 new trades again today. And then I'll show you those trades later on, right? So just wanted to update that, what happened to my 40-minute chart setups from Sunday. So far, I had almost more than 400 pip based on those setups and 40-minute chart setups alone. All right. So this is it for now. And let's wait for the news and see what happened. All right. So I'll talk to you guys later. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website and, do whatever you need to be doing, subscription and one-on-one coaching or courses or whatever. Right. So this is it for now. And let me go and watch the news.